Hi, good morning friends. Today I'm going to show to you my small garden. I'm going to take you for a tour, and it's a very nice day today. And also I'm going to harvest some cherry tomatoes and Russian tomatoes. Russian tomatoes are very sweet. They are the best. I love it.
Mag-harvest tayo ngayon ng mga gulay. Tingnan natin kung ano ang mga ready na. Merong kamatis na ang tawag ay Roma tomato. Ito ay hindi ko alam anong klaseng kamatis yan kasi hindi ko itinanim. Basta tumubo na lang sila dyan. Dahil naglagay ako ng kitchen scraps, katulad ng gulay at mga fruits, hindi ko itinatapon. Ilalagay ko para maganda sa soil. So, yan ang nangyari. Merong tumubo na kamatis at malalaki pa sila. Potato and sweet potato next to each other. Dwarf eggplant. Ito naman ay peppermint. Golden cauliflower. Ito ay ang thyme. Silver beet. Beetroot. I've been using beetroot from this garden, and I made pickled beetroot that was so nice. So guys, pag meron kayong mga tira-tira sa kitchen, katulad ng gulay or fruits, huwag niyong itapon kasi maganda sa soil. Ito ay ang aking cherry tree. At next to it is mandarin tree. Meron na siyang mga bunga pero maliliit pa. Yung iba ay nahulog kasi malakas ang hangin. So if you have kitchen scraps, don't throw it away. You can use it in your garden. It's good for the plants. Spring onions. green capsicum, more cherry tomatoes. Tara na, let's go to the kitchen.
Now it's time for me to water the plants.
That's all for now, guys. My little tour in my garden.
See you next time. Hope you enjoy my video. Bye.